my new furnace yet, but I did get the new crucible. And this thing is huge. Like, here's a baseball in comparison. This is like 3 inches. Maybe not. I don't know. It's not that big. But this thing barely fits in my furnace right now. And it fits inside of the crucible. And it just sits in there. There's space around it. This thing is huge. In theory, this thing should fit because it's like close to 8 inches tall and it's very close to 8 inches wide around here. Very close. Too close for comfort. But we'll find out when I actually get it. Hopefully it fits. I was out of propane, so I went to U-Haul, which was my first time ever doing this. I went to U-Haul and I got this completely filled up with 4 gallons of propane, and it cost like 14 bucks. It is a lot cheaper than usual, unless you go to Walmart. And it's around the same, but Walmart doesn't fill it up as high. So you can't see it, part of my printer broke when I was taking off one of the Thor's hammer pieces, and I'm having to print like this. Looks really weird. It's working, except for a little bit of warping right there. And yeah, I'll just have to get the new one, put it together, and then re-level it. Hopefully it works. Thing, if you get the Anycubic i3 Mega, you can just find this on Thingiverse. It's just a little bit like a tool set where you can put all your stuff. So I'm gonna try something a little new today. So my printer wasn't working, so I couldn't make my own batarang. That's what I would be doing right now. But I'm printing the Thor's hammer right now. So I'm going back to an old thing that I never actually casted. It barely fits in here, so it's probably going to spew out the edges.